LegalZone are able to help with most property related matters. If you're buying or selling a house, we are able to put you in touch with one of our quality regulated conveyancers who will act for you at a specially negotiated rate, which will be much less than contacting a solicitor direct. Our lawyers are able to advise and help with disputes over boundaries, covenants affecting land, easements and rights of way, including prescriptive rights, leasehold disputes, and of course landlord and tenant matters. Disputes between neighbours over boundaries or rights of way can be very varied and sometimes involve complex legal issues. A prescriptive right can sometimes be claimed, and sometimes the issue will turn on an interpretation of the Party Wall Act 1996. Boundaries are often not adequately described in title documents, and sometimes they have been changed by agreement between previous owners. A prescriptive right or easement can be claimed where it's possible to show continuous use of land for a legally defined period without permission of the owner. Another common problem concerns the management of long leasehold properties. If you live in a leasehold flat and you're unhappy with the management of your building, you can either ask the Residential Property Tribunal to appoint a new manager or take over the management responsibilities under a scheme known as Right to Manage. If a couple buy a property together in the first flush of a relationship, which then goes sour, disputes are likely to arise over shares and if the house should be sold. This is an area in which our lawyers have much experience. Sometimes one partner wishes to remain living in the property and the other wishes to sell and get their money back. We are able to advise and assist you with an application to the court to order the sale of the property, or for the court to determine the rights and entitlements to the jointly owned property. If you need an assured short-hold tenancy agreement or a commercial lease, these are all available for download free of charge from our website. If you want to sever a joint tenancy, we also have guides which you can download for free. We also have lawyers who deal with intellectual property law. Anyone who created an idea has rights to have their work protected, and our lawyers can help in cases of infringement, plagiarism, theft of intellectual property, and matters concerning copyright, trademarks, and patents. Click the link at the top of our website or in the description of this video to get in touch with us. LegalZone. Getting legal advice has never been so easy.